come with me to Napa Valley in California for a day trip. There are many ways to get to Napa Valley. You can take a tour, you can travel into Napa Valley and stay overnight, but we decided to try something different because I'd already been before on a tour, so I just wanted a little bit of freedom on my birthday. So we took a ferry over to Napa Valley. We purchased ferry tickets to the Vallejo station. It was pretty early in the morning, so we started out with some energy shots instead of coffee. So this is some juice that helped with energy. Oh, okay, wait. Do this. You ready? Oh, so what are...
So this is just for after. And
oh, okay.
The honey, like kind of a chaser.
Okay. Getting the birthday started. Huh. Afterwards, we got ready to get in line to get on the ferry. And this particular ferry departed out of Gate E. Make sure you check where they depart for whichever destination you're going to. And like I said, it was pretty early in the morning. It was a weekday, and we pretty much had a lot of space. And it was about an hour. I did pretty good considering I usually have motion sickness. And for our first stop, we headed to Oxbow Public Market, which is a food market, and also you can get little souvenirs and stuff there, but it's mostly known for food. So we got breakfast and got some bagels from this bagel company called Lovesky. And the bagels were really good. Afterwards, we headed to our first appointment at DomaineCarneros. I would recommend making a reservation. They have tastings from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and we had the Art of Sabrage tasting.
We think of Blanc de Noir as being like more fun and fruity and a little bit more like voluptuous, whereas the Chardonnay, which is our Tete Cuvée, is more like structure and age-worthy. Okay. So you'll try a few blends and then finish.
So that's sugar level. So the very first level is bone dry. If you get to find bone dry, that means zero sugar. So it means sugar is not being added to the sparkling wine. The next level, like when that happens, you go to the other side with the same product. Alright, 1, 3. Happy birthday. Woo! That usually happens with a couple bottles.
I really enjoyed my experience. Great drinks, great food, great service, and great views. I had a chance to meet the CEO, Remy, and she is the second woman CEO, as it's tradition at DomaineCarneros to be led by a female CEO, and this is a really cool concept. This place is amazing for photos. Afterwards, we headed to Brown Estate in Napa Valley. It is a Black-owned winery. And then we headed over to Arbaretum, which was a cocktail lounge, just something to switch it up from all the wine that we had tried. This was a cool spot with trendy drinks and nice appetizers. Funny enough, we met a group at Brown Estate who actually joined us at Arbaretum, and afterwards we walked around downtown Napa and headed to Housley Napa Valley because we had planned to go there. I had already heard about it. And Housley Napa Valley is ran by tameramowrytwo, and you know, she's from Sister Sister and her husband's family. So I really liked the customer service and the wine here. It was a cool vibe. We walked around downtown until we realized we were about to miss our ferry back, and we did. So I recommend you make sure you buffer enough time from the ferry station. It's about 30 minutes to get back to the ferry, so buffer that in and make sure you don't miss the last ferry. Otherwise, you have to pay like $100 to get back to San Francisco. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more travel videos.